Hi there, this is all our remote control LED flashing wristband. This one is PVC one, this one is silicone one, and then this one is nylon band one. Now let me show you. Make them all on. It's red now, green, blue, yellow, white, pink, slowly flashing, quickly, steady on, changing. That's all, thank you.